Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis of the stocks of UK, US and Canada, and I also upload my daily market analysis on 10 currency pairs or Forex pairs. And please do not mind, I do not have any professional setup. I'm just doing this from the comfort of my home. So let's get started. So the first stock for today is SMDS Smith, and we can see that Smith is right now trading in a close range. Okay, LTP is 376, or the last traded price is 376.1, and the range is 375.4 to 380.7. So if the stock is trading between this range, you don't need to trade. Okay, and we all know that in market volatility always shifts. Okay, market always moves from higher volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. So market is in lower volatile zone. Okay, so there is a good chance that a good amount of volatility will come. So you need to keep your eye on speed. I'm not saying that the market will, the stock will go up or down. Okay, that we don't know. Right now trading below the 50 pair moving average. Still, in market we cannot be 100% sure. Therefore, what do you need to do? You just keep your eyes on this mid and just wait. Okay, if it gives a breakout above 380.5, then it's a buy, and if it gives a breakdown below 375, or if it gives a breakout towards the downside, then you can short the market. That's it. Just keep your eyes on this stock because volatility is about to come. You are going to see some good moves. So the next stock is HSBC Holdings. In HSBC Holdings, we can see that there was a resistance here. Okay, market made a resistance on 17 February, and after that market could not break this resistance. Yesterday it tried to touch the price zone of 3432. Okay, but it failed to do so. There was a price rejection from above. Okay, right now trading at 431.65. So what do we need to see? If market opens in between this range, so let's say if it opens below 432, and if it goes up and touch the 432 level, okay, then just need to observe how does it react after hitting the 432 level. Okay, if it shows signs of reversal like shooting star or price rejection from above, uh, then you can short the market. But if it breaks the level comfortably and succeeds in staying above the 432 level for 15-20 minutes, then you can consider that the resistance has become the support, and market will move up from here. Okay, so what should be a strategy? If you spot reversal sign from here, you can short the market, and if it crosses the level comfortably with volume, then it's a breakout, then you can buy. But before, do not buy immediately. You just need to have the confirmation also. And if it moves towards the downside, then you will be getting support at the 423 level. This level will act as the first support. Suppose it opens at 427 or 430 level, and if it comes down to the 423 level, you can expect some reversal or bounce from below. That'll if you spot some good bounce, then also you can buy or go long. But this level is crucial. Okay, and in case it comes down and touches 460 level, then you can expect some reversal or bounce from here, because this 460 level is having some good support for this stock. So the next stock is BT.A. BT Group, the same theory also applies here. Resistance at 132 132.10 level, and right now trading at 131.75, almost trading at a resistance. So today you just need to see how it reacts after touching or reaching the resistance level or this green line. It may reverse or it may give a breakout also. Okay, if it gives a breakout, it's a buy. If it reverses from here, it's a sell. But this uh, price level of 132 is very important. Just remember, if it gives a breakout, do not buy right away. Okay, just get your confirmation with the help of an indicator, volume, whatever you like. Yeah, it's up to you. Okay, but do not forget to get the confirmation. So the next stock is Barclay. Barclay right now trading at 154.26, or LTP is, or the last traded price is 154.26. And there, if you find Barclay in this position, in this range of 154.56 to 156.7, this, in this particular range, then you do not need to trade, because this range is having some crucial resistance for this Barclay. This range is not allowing Barclay to go up, so as a result you don't need to trade on this trade. If market, or if Barclay succeeds in breaking this level, then only you should go ahead and buy, otherwise no. Otherwise, right now Barclay is in no trading zone. Okay, if it opens here, it doesn't matter, you should not trade. Okay, but suppose Barclay opens at 152 level. Okay, and if it goes up and it uh, gives you some, if it faces some strong selling pressure from above, then you can short the market. Okay, otherwise just wait. Okay, and if it comes down and touches the level of 151.1, this level, then also you can expect some kind of support. I'm not saying good support, some kind of support. But this is the no trading zone for Barclay for today. Barclay must cross this level. Okay, Barclays must cross 156.7 level to trade comfortably. So the next stock is EVR average. This is not telling us a clear picture. Okay, but if we look at the 1 day time frame, okay, you can see that in the 1 day time frame there is a spinning top kind of a pattern. Okay, right now the LTP is 567. Yesterday it tried to go up, but it faced resistance at 572 level, and from there it reversed. Okay, so right now it's trading at 567, and we all know that spinning top signifies indecision in the market. We do not know how the market will react. In that case, what can you do today? If if EVR opens above 572 level today and trades above 572 level for say 30 minutes, 40 minutes comfortably, then it's a buy. Okay, and if EVR and if you find EVR uh, below 559 level, okay, if you find PVR EVR around 557 or 558, and if you see that, okay, the selling pressure is high, okay, if the selling pressure is satisfactory, then you can short the market. Otherwise, if you find EVR between this range of 560 and 572, you should avoid trading. Okay, so that's it. Buy here and short here, because right now it is telling us indecision. So that's it with the analysis for today. Hopefully you have understood. Thank you, thanks a lot, and good luck. And if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, because I bring daily market analysis just before the market opens. Thank you so much. If you want to know more about me, you can check out my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.